Alright, so we're up here on the 4th floor at the Holiday Inn Express, Mountjoy and Lancaster, here in Mountjoy, Pennsylvania. And these are the elevators right here. Before we ride, let's get a view out this window. There's an ice machine. Here's your view out. Fortunately, it's not the most exciting view, but it's something. There's your parking lot. And now we'll take a ride on the elevators. These are ThyssenKrupp Endura MRLs from 2019. It's got the 8 toll buttons. There's your fire escape plan. These have pretty good motors. And one's here. Got an air freshener right there. Here's this car. So let's go down to 1. While we're going down, we'll get a cab view. Basic newer ThyssenKrupp elevators, nothing too exciting, but they are very nice. I do like the cabs, even though they're pretty basic. These are your 8 toll buttons. Got your phone there. There's your indicator and your capacity plate, capacity of 3,500 pounds. There's your newer ThyssenKrupp logo, and there's your certificate. This elevator was installed in 2019, and here are the lobby level. Now we'll go up to 4, listen to the motor. We're on 4. We'll send this car down to the lobby. We'll try to get the other elevator. I have a low battery, unfortunately. Hopefully my battery doesn't die. There goes the left car. And now we'll try to get the right car. And here's the right car. Down to 1. And we're going to cab view of this car. Just like the other elevator. Pretty basic but very nice cab. These are your 8 toll buttons. Phone there. There's your indicator. ThyssenKrupp elevator. Capacity of 3,500 pounds, just like the other car. This is elevator number 2. And there's your certificate. This elevator was installed in 2019, just like the other car. Here we are at 1. And now we'll end at 4. And we'll listen to the motor on this car. Here we go. And here on 4. We'll end up here on 4. Again, we'll end the video up here on 4. So those were some ThyssenKrupp elevators here at the Holiday Inn Express, and I guess that'll be it.